Stop. 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 If you know you're pregnant, then stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid bitch.
Back up.
Fuck, let me go. Let me
I don't know what to tell you. Morning. How you doing? Great. You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, man? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed a median where you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Call 47 Connecticut. Couple for rest.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay,
so you touch
step
me.
out, step out now,
Please.
step out.
No.
Stop resisting, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Get the
Because
seatbelt.
I didn't
Get
do
the
that.
seatbelt.
It's not on.
It's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because you're resisting a lot.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car.
that.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do this.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't
Stop resisting. Resisting. Stop. Resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
William.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm pregnant!
Stop. 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 Resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Go.
I will tase your ass. So step the back.
No!
Stop resisting.
Y'all want me shit that shit don't listen. Y'all just bored as and I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting.
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop it.
Listen.
Stop resisting.
Get in your face.
Do it.
No.
I don't give
Stop.
Stay back.
No!
Oh, 47.
I'll tease you too.
Let me down! Let me go!
You guys are gonna hit it.
Yep. Hold 45. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Let go of my
Stop.
leg. I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting.
Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can walk.
Stop.
Stop kicking hats.
Let go of my
Stop.
leg. Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can walk.
Stop.
Hey, you guys are pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go
Stop.
of my leg. I can walk.
Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
Walk.
Wait.
47, go 48. You guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let go of
chicken.
my arm.
Need at least 2 more.
Let go of my arm.
Stop.
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on y'all,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with background law enforcement officer. Stop.
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop. Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason.
You
Stop.
did, bitch.
No.
Ma'am, calm
You
down.
did.
No.
Y'all hurt my stomach. I'm pregnant. Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop resisting that.
I promise y'all I'm
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me fucking
Stop.
go.
Stop spitting my, I'm not trying to spit in my face.
You let me
Trying to spit in my face.
I
No.
don't give a
Stop.
all of you bitches. Let me go.
Okay.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. You don't
Cancel
have
the
to fight it
44.
over.
Just send me another
I
unit.
don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude like that. Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
I have somewhere to be.
No, you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop. Go shake.
Let her
Okay, let go of me. You're in my stomach.
Yeah.
I'm telling you multiple times. Damn.
Unlock it and put her in the car.
Y'all hurting my stomach and y'all not listening. Let me get my
Go 40.
You big bro.
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. 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 If you know you're pregnant, then stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid bitch.
Back up.
Fuck, let me go.
Listen.
Let me
I don't know what to tell you.
I got
Let me go.
She belted in?
No.
I'm securing the car.
Might have to help it.
All right. Give her a minute. Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant.
Just have for the against the
Oh, wait.
No 44. If someone has a hop, please.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go.
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
For any
Oh, look, right.
one to 10.
Simple traffic stop.
That's
24 hours. 45. What's the location?
Angelo.
5810 Brother Street.
Yep. Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting.
I don't,
You got nothing better.
Oh, I read about those.
They don't work. They're not that effective, in my opinion.
We're going to tow that car.
Hey, just
Have you ever put this on before?
No, but I've read about them in policy.
So we have to hold her legs, get her legs in a cup so she can't move. I'm gonna wrap this around her legs, tighten it, and then whip it over to the pump.
Didn't do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my stick on everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
I don't want it, but I need to go. I don't want to be here.
hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now.
Shut the door. She's not kicking. It's fine.
I just didn't want her to kick me.
Okay.
If she's not screaming now,
Just go ahead and shut this door.
Okay.
she's going now.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, perfect.
I just made a U-turn.
You didn't make a U-turn. You did not make a U-turn, ma'am.
I guess we did develop battery earlier. Show she got a straight.
Yeah, she got me a little bit. I mean, it's fine. Just.
Well, she was actively resisting.
She literally, she
that
told
was
me she was gonna beat me, and like she said she was gonna kick him.
yeah. So and right there's your intent. So
I made her left. I got like.
No, you did not. I saw you.
Right there.
I didn't know she was pregnant or not, so I didn't want to like put her face down with
Right.
with the tactic we learned. So
I want her out of here before family starts showing up.
Oh, yeah?
I know I did it.
Yeah, well, you threatened to spit in an officer's face, and you fought with resistance.
I'm gonna pull up next time so people stop driving right here real quick.
Just give him room to get out. Just pull up right about there.
Do you require medical assistance? I take that as a no.
13P, J1P,
Go.
Okay. Bye.
I was watching them. I just on this side, so
Okay, goodbye.
scene secure.